Well, there's Dundas Station, and it is closed. Earlier today, a TTC employee was stabbed in the arm there. Well, at least this entrance to the station is closed. I'm not sure if you can enter it elsewhere. Maybe I'll cross the street and see if I can get in through the Tenor building. I just finished recording a video where I walked from Union Station up to this point, and my plan was to get in to Dundas Station and hop on a train and head north. And I even talked about the stabbing and how that closed down the station. It didn't occur to me that it would still be closed after all this time. Maybe it's just that entrance. Let's go find out. Nope. There's a sign in there that very clearly says TTC is closed. So I guess I'm going to walk north up to College Street and hopefully jump in College Station.
I've never tried the actual burger. I've tried the milkshake.
This is Yonge and Dundas. I'm not sure if this is going to be a new video or a continuation on the last one. But hey there, today is Wednesday, November 26th, 7:25 p.m. is the time. The temperature is about 3 degrees Celsius, and I'm here on Yonge Street. And I would like to go home. But due to that tragic incident, I'm unable to enter Dundas Station. So that gives me two options: walk down to Queen or walk up to College. But since I just came from Queen and College is on the way, I'll opt to go this way. Although if I wanted a seat, that's more likely to happen if I went down to Queen, just because it's an earlier stop.
Have we not had Shake Shack close?
I'm going to see what the TTC alerts say. Just wait till I'm out of a crowd of people to look at my phone. It says line 1, Yonge University, no service between Shepherd Yonge and Eglinton while we clean debris at track level. Shuttle buses are running between Shepherd Yonge and Eglinton. Line 1, University, the planned subway closure for tonight, Wednesday, November 26th, between Osgood and College Stations has been cancelled. What about other service alerts? Trains are not stopping at Dundas due to police activity. So that happened much earlier in the day. I don't know much more than someone stabbed a customer service agent for the TTC in the arm. And I believe they were apprehended by Toronto police. So wishing that person a full and speedy recovery. Here I was today with no videos for tomorrow, and I went out to make one tonight and do a live stream. Then I ended up making a second video. Now a third one, although this one will be kind of short and impromptu. And it has to be short. I've only got 8% battery life left on this camera. Wasn't planning on giving it so much use. Shawarma Royale. On the right, a new Concord condo is going up. One that'll be a super tall.
Everyone's here after that.
They took over from the previous developer. Fortunately, we're downtown and the stations are pretty close to one another. So you have to feel for anyone with a mobility impairment when this type of thing happens.
Really?
And in a week from now, you should be able to go ice skating across the street at the Barbara Ann Scott Ice Trail at College Park. Got a lot of lights over at College Park. This construction here on the left is what's left over from the accessibility project. Installing elevators down to the subway platform at College Station.
They have it ready for me when I walk in. They see me walking in and they see me, they prepare it, so that's like, I didn't get a chance to order it.
Josh,
And I think she said that you wanted to.
And I'd love to keep going, but I do not have a battery pack on me, which is a bit silly since I was live streaming. I've only got 3% left. All right, let's see if I can get down to the platform at College Station. Sometimes I make videos about the inconveniences of our frequently down transit service, but sometimes the reasons are totally understandable and you can't really fault the TTC for not getting back up and running. Given the seriousness of what happened at Dundas Station.
Shutdown Station and Eglinton Station. While we clean debris at track level, shuttle buses are running.
That sucks for people going from Dundas Station north of Shepherd or north of Eglinton. They'll not only have to deal with Dundas being closed. But also no service up that way. Next train in 2 minutes. No doubt a lot of these people were here from the Dundas closure. Train is rolling in, but I am out of battery. My battery light is flashing. It's literally going to turn off any second here. Yoink!
Line 1, Fort Finch.
So the camera battery is running on absolute fumes here. But apparently there's still a closure north of Eglinton on the subway line. And everyone got kicked off the train and they're being herded onto shuttle buses. Sucks for them.
We're taking the bus.
Good thing for me, this is my stop. It's also worth noting, no one seems to know where they're going. It's also worth noting Yonge Station closed down due to a security incident. So our train bypassed that station.
Bus and biking. What the heck? Yeah. So how long was driving? 15 minutes. Oh, that's long.
So you're heading south from here to College. So yeah, southbound service is fine.
I wanted to cross the light here. I ordered some Harveys for pickup. There you go, a number of shuttle buses down there lined up. Apparently there's debris on the tracks north of here. How miserable would this be? Trying to get home. It was a nightly planned closure, but I figured this would have cleared up by the time we got up here, but it was just shuttle bus after shuttle bus of everyone packed in there like sardines. Somehow keeping my camera off. Breathe some life into the battery, but that sucks. Are more people going to try to get on the already packed shuttle bus here? Normally you board south of here. Well, this is a piss poor job by the TTC. There's a monster crowd of people down there waiting to get on one of the few shuttle buses. These people are never getting on. All right, you can't keep me down. But what a piss poor job by the TTC this is. You think they'd have people out here letting these people know you are standing at this corner for absolutely no reason, because every bus that rolls up here is going to be packed. You need to go way down there where the shuttle bus is going.
Oh, they love you.
Recording this with my phone. Diversity. Put someone here. Maybe this driver should call them and tell them. I don't really feel like yelling at these people in case I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is not where you wait. Another complaint is there's all kinds of line cutting and people lined up in a disorderly fashion when this sort of thing happens. It just sucks for absolutely everybody involved. Hey, I'm gonna go pick up my dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. And if you wish to support the channel, there's links to Patreon and YouTube channel membership down in the description. All right, from the Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching, guys. S24 Ultra. Yoink. Just a little bonus footage. I'm back with my meal in hand, but it doesn't look like everyone has fully dispersed. There's a whole lot of honking here a moment ago as a couple of dumbheads just illegally turned at the intersection. I kind of wish I had the camera rolling for that. Anywho, I'm gonna go home and eat my dinner.